Hello everybody, welcome. This is Linda. Let's see, we're going to have a kind of a conglomerate in this video. First of all, we're going to touch on the stitch by stitch project where we're doing 4x4s or 5x5s or whatever it is that you like to work on, but small squares. And I haven't done any particular ones lately, but I have just completed this one here, and I'm starting this one, and these are sized to go on my strip. I'm going to add them to my strip for my wall hanging. Okay, and so this one needs this one will go here, and then it needs one more to make it long enough. So anyway, that's I don't think you have seen this one before, and so this one is quite busy, as you can see. I like it, and it's going to look really nice as the next row on my wall hanging. And then this one here is kind of cute. I like him. And then this one I'm just starting. Okay, so that's my stitch by stitch update for that. Now let me show you another project that I'm working on. Okay, and I'm going to do a different video for this, but I just want to tease you with it just a little bit. So I'll show you how I'm going to be working and making this, but I'm going to do that in another video. But isn't that cool? That's a really cool looking patchwork. Okay, all right. And then I want to talk about a collaboration that I'm going to be doing with Marsha at Markets of Sunshine. She's another creator that does just wonderful work, just wonderful projects. She does all kinds of machine stitching, slow stitching. She works with paper and cards and all kinds of stuff. She's a super creative lady. And we're going to do a collaboration where we are going to make a landscape big enough to fit a 5x7 frame, and we are going to do, each of us is going to do the background part of the landscape and get it attached, and then we're mailing it to each other. She's in Florida, I'm in Texas, and each of us is going to finish the other one's landscape background that they make. I think that's going to be fun. You know, Marsha and I have totally different styles, so it will be it'll be broadening ourselves. It'll be pulling ourselves out of our comfort zone and working with something that we normally wouldn't, because we didn't create it. And so it's going to challenge us to find something creative to do with someone else's work. Doesn't that sound interesting? I think it does. I'm looking forward to it. But I do have mine ready to mail, and let me show it to you. Okay, I know I'm bad, but I don't want to reveal it completely because I don't want Marsha to see it before she opens her package. But there is a landscape under this mat, and you can kind of see the outline of it there. But you know, it's going to be a surprise to her when she opens it up. And but I just wanted to share it with you, kind of my excitement. And so I will be putting the link to her channel, and we'll be seeing what we do with each other's landscapes. And we will probably mailing those this coming week. So it won't be too far out till we'll be showing you the videos where we work with those landscapes that we get from each other. Okay, that's a very exciting project for me, and I'm totally excited about that. So okay, let's end this one here, and meanwhile you stay scrap happy.